43 servings. 5,160 calories. Perfect for food storage, emergencies, survival, camping, and everyday use. Certified gluten-free. Up to a 10-year shelf life. Certified gluten-free. Makes delicious hot cheese dip and macaroni and cheese, recipes on pen label. Perfect for long-term food storage, emergency preparedness, and survival food. Refrigeration necessary only when cheese has been prepared. Large institutional can with lid. The Augason Farms food storage cheese blend powder is ideal for making the creamiest cheese sauces, fondues and dips, the tastiest salad dressings, casseroles, soups and spreads. No matter the case, this number 10 can is an absolute essential in an emergency. It's easy to transport and includes all your food storage needs. Make the wise decision and let Augason Farms give you a peace of mind that's as indispensable as it is delicious. Family owned and operated since 1972, Augason Farms believes that great taste is a tradition worth preserving. They'll provide you with delicious peace of mind with their food essentials. Augason Farms recognizes that today's consumers are more concerned than ever before about what kind of foods they eat, and want to provide their families with food that is safe and the best quality. Whether enjoying Augason Farms products for everyday meals, as an emergency food supply, or years down the road. Please discard oxygen absorber after opening.Best when stored in a cool dry place at temperatures between 55 degrees and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal humidity 15%. Top reviews from the United States. This is a dieter's dream. I was skeptical after reading all the bad reviews but took a chance on it anyway. I'm so glad I did. My husband is on Weight Watchers and with his unnatural lust for all things cheesy, was starting to spend too much time ogling in the cheese department. I remember that look on his face from a long, long time ago, before we were married. I knew I had to do something fast before the Gruyere took out a restraining order. Augason Farms cheese blend powder to the rescue. The prepared cheese sauce when made with skim milk or unsweetened almond milk is incredibly low in Weight Watchers points and satisfies his need for cheese. We both love it oozing in a bean burrito or smothering a baked potato. I even made mac and cheese with whole wheat pasta that he actually asked for again.